Hey there, I am going to try to film a quick look that I basically did the other day. Well, I didn't finish filming, so I'm going to try a similar look today. These are never posted in order, so the one I was filming was a Falconer Reacts video, but I have no idea when that's gonna post. I'm sure this will probably post afterwards, but you never know. Why does it look so red? My under eye's been super dry the past few days. I don't know why. Hopefully it won't get too crinkly. It is hot up here, so if this area kind of starts to look weird, it's because it's hot. Alright, this Wet n Wild lipstick kind of ties in with this shirt really well. Oop. Unless I screw it up. Okay. So that just kind of like ties in what I'm doing. There's a there's a chance I filmed this the other day. Alright. I'm gonna use this to set. That's what I did last time. Alright, then I went into this top notch just for the crease. It's just ever so darker than my skin tone. Next I'm going to go in with a slightly flatter brush with this medium brown and just pat that on the lid. Try not to go up too far. This is kind of a classic smoky eye. I just was really impressed with this combination of colors, so I decided to try it again. I'm not necessarily trying to look the same as the video I need to finish because I'm going to be in a different outfit. It's clearly different lighting and day and stuff, but I just wanted to see if I could do it again because I liked it. I know what I did, but I don't know which order I did it in. I'm going to take a much flatter brush, and I actually went into this color up here called Nutmeg, and it's like a reddish brown, so I wasn't going to put it in this gradient, but then it turned out looking really nice. It's just kind of a little transition darker into the black. I don't know why I adjust myself when I can adjust my mirror. I have a bathroom mirror with bathroom lighting and a tripod connected to a light fixture that's dangling down to film myself. Yeah, because I am not monetized yet. So I'm not able to buy equipment. For black, the Smoky palette has a black, but I'm just going to go back into my Project Pan black because I'm trying to hit pan in it, obviously, and just touch to the lash line as much as possible. I'm blowing on it because it gets powdery and I already did my under eye. For some reason I just cannot get myself to do the shadow first. I think it's because I put the concealer on my lid, so it's like, I don't know what happened to my voice there. Crap. Well, if that gets into the upper layers, you just kind of blend it out. Smoky eye does not have to be real precise, so it's perfect for me. But I should probably stop talking. I don't know who taught me this, but somebody taught me to like press it into that lash line, and then I do see some fallout here, but oh no, I just made it worse. Okay. And there's weird random red up here. Alright, I'm gonna have to do concealer completely over for this eye. That's alright. Now, should I try to keep doing the eye, or should I... Oh my god, I just... Okay. We're gonna be doing both eyes. Shouldn't have done the concealer yet. Should have known better than that. I'm gonna get a little bit of softer... I don't know what you call this. It's a flat brush, but it's slightly not flat. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the red underneath because I'm gonna do the waterline black. I have this melt eyeliner that was part of a very generous Facebook haul. Melt, it's all gonna be below. I'm just gonna give it a little kickstart by using the sharpener. And then, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Okay. This one's a little messy, but like, can you see how different that is? I just adore highlighting. I never thought I'd do it because it scared me to death. But here I am doing it every time now because I love the way it looks, especially the black. Let's do a little more concealer. I'll have to take, I hope it doesn't all crinkle now. That's too much for just the bottom. I did do a small wing last time. I hope I can maybe do that again without having to redo the concealer again. That would be great. Oh my god, that's like too much. Use the other side of the sponge. I got this cream blush palette. It's a dupe for Makeup Forever, I believe, except this is supposed to be cruelty free. Please, please Amazon, don't have lied to me. I'm gonna use the cool side. I'm gonna use, all you need is a touch of this. I just want a little like dimension to my face before I add more with my eyeball. It's a cream, I don't know, I'm still holding it. It's a cream, so it takes a minute to like warm up. Does not take much. I've been on a cream blush kick lately, I don't know why. I feel like I need to put some kind of powder under there, so let's just hope that there's some on that brush. I don't know. I don't know how to use like the big brushes yet. I'm gonna go dark with the eyebrow. Please don't screw this up. This is just a lazy girl eyebrow thing that I've been trying. To just kind of do one step, carefully get it out of the way, and shape it. That one looks pretty good, which means this one's probably gonna end up looking crazy. I was gonna use a more interesting metaphor there, but I could not think of anything. This whole eye is like, I can't think of a word that's not offensive. Good enough. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, should I try to do a wing? Should I even bother with contour? Because I look... Yes, I'm going to, because I need to get rid of that. And I know I'm not actually getting rid of it, but it makes me feel better if I can draw a jawline on. Makeup is magic. Look at that. It's magic. I mean, I still have fat there, but it doesn't look quite as bad in certain lights. Unbelievable. Okay. Oh, I also do my nose with this. I don't know how I think I just stumbled across this technique by accident. Usually you use a really small brush, but I don't know, this just started working for me. it still looks big. All right, I might not have had enough product on here. I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit. Get the rest off in my usual contour area. And that looks like crap. I honestly don't use bronzer very much at all. I don't know. Makeup trends change, like, what you want to use. You know, like, I never wanted to tight line before. I swore I would never do brows, and then I was like, my brows look pretty rough. So I try. Even though I'm kind of in a cool tone, I'm gonna use the gold highlighter from Project Pan because I'm trying to use it. That always makes the nose kind of come together in the end too. Okay, very teeny tiny brush. This gray does not really match my brow from my Project Pan, but I'm just gonna use it to kind of shape and draw like a straighter line if I do it right. And it kind of just blends in with the darker color, so you can't really tell unless I screw it up, which is a possibility. My brow is not under my nose. What am I even doing? Do you guys look close up for your brow stuff or far away? Because far away seems to give me a better like idea of what the final thing is going to be looking like. I keep dropping off my voice. I don't even know if you can hear me or not. All right, that's more defined. Do they match? No, not at all. I don't want to like use up that melt one, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild kohl pencil to just kind of, just a little bit, smudge on a wing, just a teensy bit, just a teensy wing, just to give a little shape. Don't screw it up. Uh-oh. Doesn't have a point, and if I make it longer, I'm gonna have to make the other one longer. No, resist temptation. Okay. See, now I feel like the blush is not blushing. I'm gonna use this just real quick, the darkest shade. I have a swatch video of this, and people seem to really like it, so I'm happy it's not coming out dark enough. What's going on? And I see some highlighter creeping down. Oh, that's what I did last time. I actually used that reddish brown in the Smoky palette as blush. If I see it disappear again, I'm gonna do that because that really looked nice. Okay, I think all I have left to do is lashes, so I'm just gonna try to glue everything down. I'm gonna do my Allday 105s. Have been putting a dab of glue in the inner corner and outer corner lately as well. The only time it glued eyeshadow to my face was like a bright blue, because I swore I was never going to do this again, like last year sometime, because I was like, that did not work well. There was like a residual glue line, but I don't know, it hasn't been doing it. It's probably something that I just figured out how to do better. I don't know. Ooh, are you too long? Oh no, you're perfect. Yes, I'm talking to my lash. Come on, good lash day, please. Shoot, you gotta come down just a little bit. Okay. I don't curl my lashes under, like my own lashes, under the false lash, because they just get in the way, and it makes it way harder to put the false lash on. I've been trying to like press them together with the curler sometimes, but I don't know, sometimes I don't need it. Sometimes I just need it on one to like make them look even. Carefully not glue it anywhere else. Okay, come on, good lash day, please. Please, 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 please. Yes. Ah, no, the tweezers are stuck to it. Oh my god. I just pulled it like halfway over by accident. Okay, come on. I guess I need to clean the tweezers a little better. Oh, I was gonna go out to the store, but maybe I won't. And I'll just film first. Alright, I don't think I need mascara on the bottom, but this is the only mascara I'm gonna use, so I'll just do that a bit. Oh, tell me I just got some on my contact lens. I don't see anything blocking my vision right now. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I feel like that blend did well. This lash seems to be falling into my eyeball a little more. Okay, as long as that doesn't pull down, I'm happy with this. Let me find earrings. So I found these wine earrings that kind of match everything else. I'm also finding that I look better with a necklace on camera sometimes because it just kind of makes me look like I have a neck. I'm gonna put my hair up as soon as I'm out of here, but this is, oh, I was gonna curl them together. I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna push a little bit of black on the top of that lash very carefully because I don't want it to fall out. But I'm seeing some like bluish gummy glue kind of stuff. Oh, and now I messed up my black here. I might be making it worse, but I think I see pan in the black. Oh, that's exciting. I'm gonna carefully try to fit my lashes and the false lash in there. Just give it a little wiggle. Okay. This is a finished look, except I'm gonna put a little more setting spray on and hope it doesn't smear all over the place. So thanks for watching. Now it's brighter. It's because it's hot. I'm a tripod. Tripod is from Star Trek. Tripod is what I have. What did I say? Where'd my brush grow? Where'd my blush go? That shouldn't be hard for me. Alright, I'm kind of looking... I'm kind of... Where's my brow brush? Okay. This might make this... Oh, ooh, languages. How the subscribers? I have like 1,400, 1,200 subscribers, something like that. But I don't need any more of this. I don't have the watch hours. It sucks. They stuck to the package instead of here. Is this even hello? Welp. I literally do have a black eye, like right now, but it looks like I have like a black eye as in someone punched me, but nobody punched me. Y'all just saw me do that to myself. Not even coming in. Coming up, out. Come out. Trying to get my pencil sharpener. Okay. Hot in here. Hot in here. I have to throw stuff across the room every time.